House of Representatives. We're honoring Black History Month here on 90.7 FM KPFK, Los Angeles.
Welcome to another edition of Spotlight Africa. I am Assumpta Uturu. Spotlight Africa brings you news analysis and current affairs of the African continent, including global issues affecting Africa, African diaspora, and the global south. Today on the program, we devote the hour to the beauty of Africa with a focus on a people of Africa, the Maasai, and the camera lens narrates the cultural changes among the Maasai in the film Maasai Remix. The film Maasai Remix by Grease Films features three Maasai negotiating the challenge of preserving culture, the challenge of preserving natural beautiful landscapes, the challenge of preserving resources in the face of modernity.